Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I'd show you the 3 new servers I got. Got the Dell PowerEdge R660s. Got 3 of them. These are going to be ESXi hosts for VMware. And I thought I'd just kind of open it up, let you guys see what's inside it before I get it all set up. So without further ado, so this is what's in them. You know, I've got my 2 terabyte drives. There should be 4 of them. 256 gigs of RAM, 480 gig Boss card, 10 gig NICs, 32 gig fiber. And then the CPU, there's 2 CPUs. They're the Xeon Gold 5416S. You know, kind of see what those are if you're curious. But I've got them in this box here. Well, I've already racked those 2, but I've got this one here left. So let me set you up and we'll get it out of the box and I'll open it up so you can see it. So this is what we got. You can see there's my 2 terabyte drives, well 1.92 terabytes. I've got 6 blanks there. Let's move this a little bit. So in the back, here's our Boss card. Got an 1100 watt power supply. There's our 10 gigabyte NIC stack there. Our 32 gig fiber. This is for our iDRAC access. That's a great tool. USBs, VGA, and then here's our other power supply. So if we look inside, which I know that's what you all want to see anyways. So this is just your hard drive caddy and stuff is under here. But we've got the Gold Series high performance fans. You can see that there. And then here's our 2 CPUs. There's one here, one here. These are 32 gig sticks. I haven't pulled anything on this one yet, but let's pull one out just to make sure, which the other ones were. So, and there you go. There's our memory. Make sure we put that back in, and they're clipped in there. So this here, you know, these are your riser cards. You're gonna add different, you know, more cards in there. I may add another NIC in here. I guess, you know, there's really not a whole lot to these things, so let me set you up and we'll get this installed. Oh, well, before we do that, so in the box, you know, we've got our rails here. So these are the rails, and then, you know, a couple of power supply or power cables. There's all our warranty stuff, getting started, all that stuff. And then here's our front. Here. Now, sometimes these things come with a one that doesn't have an LCD on it. I always make sure I order these with that. But this is what it looks like. You know, and then this is just a key. You know, some data centers, if we had a shared data center, I would lock these, but there is the lock right there. But since we've got our own data center here, I don't lock them. But But let me get you set up. Let me put this back together and we'll get this installed in the rack. Okay, so I know it's loud in here. I've got the rails here. I've showed how to put these on before, so I'm not going to go into too much depth, but you know, you can see the server's going to have little hooks on the side, and they hook into these right here. But let me get this installed real quick. And you can see I've already got the other two down here. Those are already powered up. So those ones I don't have network other than the iDRAC, but I'm updating firmware on those right now. It doesn't really take that long, but you know, I always try to make sure firmware is all up to date before I build these things. So let me put this server on there. Okay, so that's in there. You know, like I said, this is just going to be a quick video, but you know, that's what they look like. All nice and pretty and new. So anyway, so that's going to do it for this video. I know it's just a quick one. Just wanted to let you see what's inside a new server. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.